Alright, so this is section 2. And basically, section 2 is like a puzzle. Okay? So you're trying to find different angles of triangles using the inside and the outside. So there's two basic things that you have to know to be able to do this. The first thing is that the sum of the measures of the angles in a triangle, the sum of the vertices or of the points always equals 180. Always, always, always. If a triangle's insides don't add to be 180, then it's not a triangle. A right triangle adds to be 180, and a acute triangle and a obtuse triangle, every single triangle adds to equal 180. Hey, do you need one of these? Asley, do you need one of these? So that's it. This angle, A, plus angle B, plus angle C, equals 180. That's all you have to know today. So in this diagram right here, you have to find the missing angles. Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Well, don't look at this over here yet. You see 2 degrees over here. 1 degree here and another there. How do you find the missing one? You could, but if I were you, I would always just start with 180. So type 180, and then subtract the 2 you do know. So subtract 43 and 74. That's the measure of angle 1. Okay, so measure of angle 1 equals 63. Okay, you don't have to write this, but I am just so people know how I found it. 74 minus 43, that equals. Okay, so that's all I did to find angle 1. Now, you do need to know some background information. What relationship, it's coming back, what relationship do 1 and 2 have? Vertical, so they are the same. So I don't even have to do anything for the measure of angle 2. What's the answer?
63.
63, good. That's it. So, yes, so you know this one's 63, and you know this one's 63. So all you have to do is find angle 3. Is that doable?
Yes.
180 minus 79 minus 63. What'd you say? 38. Okay, try this one. Try this next one. Same exact way. And then put it on local. Other one. Leave that one. Yep, turn that one once. There you go. So what's the first one we should find?
75.
Angle 1, which is what?
75.
75. We found that by doing 180 minus this angle minus this angle. Well, if angle 1 is 75, what is angle 2?
75.
75. Now, I do want you to, you see how I'm writing it over here on the side? I want to see this. Because if you just write it inside, it gets really sloppy because it's really small. So 75 is 75. What's angle 3? You can always check yourself. 48 plus 75 plus 57 has to equal 180. Okay? Let me tell you one thing, and then I'm going to let you do these 6 practice problems. Do what? 180 minus 48 minus 75. Okay, you see number 2. What does this rainbow mean? Means they are what? The same. Equal. One rainbow here, one rainbow here. That means they're both the same. So if this angle is 30, what's this angle? 30. So can you find 1 knowing that? Okay, I want you to try 1 through 6. No, that's classwork, like right now. There's one one more thing you need to know in this lesson. What? I don't know. What was 6? 8.
What's number 5?
Number 5 was 1 was 30, 2 was 60. All right, so here's the thing about this. The measure of the outside angle is made up of the 2 remote interior angles. Now, all of that sounds like a bunch of gibberish, right? So basically, this is what it means. Are y'all awake? Cardell, come on. This outside angle, you see angle 1? Okay, this outside angle is made up of the 2 inside angles that aren't touching it. What 2 angles right here are not touching angle 1? B and A. So if you take B and you add it to A, it will give you angle 1. Now, angle 1 is not always going to be 180. Okay? So on this one right here, let's start at number 7. You see this is angle 1 on the outside?
Right.
To find angle 1, you have to add the 2 inside angles that aren't touching it. So 65 plus 50 tells you that the measure of angle 1 is 115.
So we're looking for angle 1?
Yep, in this case you were. Okay, number 8. Find angle 1. Well, angle 1 is made up of 25 and 35. So the measure of angle 1 equals, okay, 25 plus 35 is 60. Now here's the thing. There's 2 ways to find angle 2. Do y'all see how I'm finding angle 1? You add the 2 inside that is not touching it. Okay, now there's 2 ways to find 2. Isn't this a triangle? So you could just do 180 minus those 2 insides. Or, isn't this a straight line?
Yeah.
So you could do 180 minus angle 1. Either way, you're going to get the same thing. So angle 2, I would do 180 minus, what did y'all do?
180 minus 60.
Okay, minus 60, because you know this is 60. And this is a straight line. So what is the angle measure of 2? 120. Okay, do not back up. I'm not done.
Wait, go back up. I need this right.
Okay, go back up to the first arrow. So this angle, right, angle O, plus what angle gives you the outside angle? Angle O plus angle W. So to solve for this outside angle, you have to add x plus 32 and set it equal to 2x minus 48. Savannah, you need to leave, sweetie. Okay, we'll solve for x. How do I get x to the other side? Subtract, so 2 minus 1 is 1. I need to get 48 to the other side. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So 32 plus 48 is 89. But I'm not trying to find x. I'm trying to find the measure of angle FLW, because that's what it gave me. What's FLW? What angle is that? Good. It's the angle in the middle. Follow it. FLW. So it's talking about this angle. So you need to do 2x minus 48. Well, x was 89. So 2 times 89 minus 48. And someone tell me what they get. Two times 89 minus 48. Do I get 130? 130? All right, as soon as you finish this arrow, you may pack up. Finish the second arrow. That's all you have to do. So you've taken these 2. Don't pack up until you're finished.
What do you mean this thing?
These 2 add to equal that. So x plus 32 equals that. And then you have to solve for x and plug it back in.
You mean solve for O?
No. Well,